Yvette's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make you a very delicious peanut punch. Okay, so first I'm gonna add my peanuts. And I'm gonna add my sweet condensed milk. Evaporated milk. A little nutmeg. A little cinnamon. And some vanilla. Okay. And a little white rum, of course. Okay. Then we're gonna add our water. Like that. We're gonna blend it. This is our delicious peanut punch. I'm gonna have a taste. Wow, yummy. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, Yvette's Kitchen. Live, love, laugh, and enjoy food.